I am cooking a red snapper and it's going to be a one-pan dish. I am going to stuff the snapper with all these beautiful herbs, onion, tomato, olives. It's going to be Mediterranean style. The thing that I love about this dish is that it is local, local, local. I'm going to start stuffing this fish. Yeah, I just take my hand, I put all that stuff in there. Stuff, kind of go like this too, all over the fish. I love to give it a rub-a-dub-a-dub-a-dub-a-dub. Stuff the lemon right in, and your rosemary. Yeah, you can poke out of there too if you want. So I'm going to kind of steam it a little bit rather than broil it. In the pan, you want to surround the fish with more onion, more tomato, and then more olives. Oh my goodness, I can't forget my garlic. Oh, look, I already have some garlic done. Whole garlic, just put the whole garlic right in. Now we're going to go put it on the stove, cover it. Oh, it's going to be so beautiful. You just wait and see what this is going to look like. Red snapper. It's local, local, local. So excited. Check out this red snapper. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? And I can smell. I can smell the herbs, the olives, the tomatoes, the lemon. Most of all, I can't wait to dig into this red snapper. It's going to be so delicious. And if you just made this beautiful red snapper, you just put your best fish forward. You just wait and see what this is going to look like. Red snapper.
Stuff a fish, not a turkey.